Hi viewers, welcome back. In today's discussion, we are going to talk about the difference between administration and management. So, as I said, like when we are going to talk about management, administration is also a part of the management process. Okay. So, now we will understand what is the difference between administration and management. Okay. So, then we will have a clear idea about management. So, first is administration. Administration involves thinking. Okay. So, administration is your planning area. Okay. So, where you have the higher level people and they are going to talk about what is the plan. So, what are we supposed to do? All those ideation area is your administration level. Okay. And then management level is involves doing. Okay. So, whatever these administrative people are planning, these managerial people are going to implement, they are going to do. Okay. So, your administration is thinking and management is doing. And then we have top level function in administration. So, in our previous classes we have discussed the top level management people. The top level management people, who are all there in the top level management? We have the board of directors, chairman and the executive members. Okay. So, they are the planning people, they are going to plan what we are supposed to do. When we are coming to the management level, we have the low level functioning. Low level functioning is your implementation area. So, they are planning and we are going to implement. So, that is your implementation area we have. Okay. So, in your administration is your top level functioning and in your management you have your low level functioning, that is your implementation area. And then we have planning and coordination. Okay. So, planning and your controlling. So, planning and controlling is done by the top level management or by the administrative level. So, they are going to have a plan and they are going to control or they are going to hold what we are supposed to do. Okay. So, that is with your administration. But when we come to management, we are going to execute policies and operations. So, whatever the policies they are formulated, we are going to execute it here. Okay. So, what planning here they have done, we are going to execute here. Okay. So, that is with your management. So, in your administration, we have governance of non-business organization, that is like your government, army, church. Okay. So, administration is your non-governance organization, that is like we are not worried about the benefit, the profit. Okay. We are worried about the planning, that is about the people, the social benefits and all those things only we are going to worry about the administration part. But when we are coming to the management part, it is for the business organization. So, it is your profit organization, we want profit. Okay. It is not only in the form of money, it may be it is in the form of student when we come to the college side, or like when we want to see in the hospital side, it is the management of people. You want lot of people. So, for that you are going to work. Okay. So, your quality you are going to improve as because you want lot of patients. Okay. So, when you come to the management part, it is a totally profitable organization. So, you are more worried about the profit and not about the organization and the other things. So, your primary concern is your money. And here when we come to the administration part, the economic consequences are secondary. So, we have planned for the social benefiting. So, we have planned for the benefit of the society, we have planned for the benefit of the people and their health and about their wellness. We are not much worried about their money or the income from the administration part, but from the management part we are worried about the money. Okay. So, whatever we are doing, so ours is like a business. So, when we do a business, our money, our economic concern will be the primary part. So what happens? So naturally your administration and your management are different. So with this I think you can understand what is administration and management. So administration is primarily involving the thinking process and your management is the doing process. So in your primary administration, it is your top level functioning is going to take place, and in your management your low level functioning is going to take place. When you have your administration, it is your planning and controlling, but where you are in management, you are going to have an execution of the planned procedures. And then here you are not worried about money, you are worried about the social benefiting. Your primary concern is about the society, people, like your government and your army and your churches, your temples, your society, and all those things you are worried, okay. But here when you are coming to the management part, our primary concern is about money. So economic concerns are playing a major role, okay. So this is the difference between your administration and the management area, okay. So I hope you have understood the difference between administration and management. In the next class we will discuss something in detail. Till then, take care, bye.